Alright, I wanted to go over how to create the unlimited sidebars. So let's just dive right in and go over them. Let me reset this real quick. Alright, so basically we're going to use a plugin, and the plugin we're using is called Simple Page Sidebars. So if you just search for that plugin, Simple Page Sidebar, it'll turn up at the top, and you can just click install now, and it'll say, are you sure? Say yes, and then you'll click activate once it's installed, and it'll show up under here. And if you hadn't activated it, you can activate it under plugins, installed plugins. So the first step you do is go under settings and reading, and there's this option that shows up. It's called default sidebar, and you'll want to click sidebar. And basically what this is saying is, what sidebar do you want to replace? And it's just sidebar. So what we're doing is, let's go under sample page, and let's say we want to have a custom sidebar under sample page. Let's edit this page, and you'll see under sidebar there's an option, sometimes it's at the top, and you can just click enter new, and we'll call this one page sidebar update. And then it says page sidebar saved, and once it's been saved, it still won't change. You'll need to actually add content to it for it to override. So we'll go and update our widgets, and we'll see page sidebar has been added. And let's go and add a simple text widget. We'll just call this page sidebar. And save it. And then now when I view my sample page, it'll have its own sidebar. So let's say we want to use that same sidebar for contact us. We can go edit this page, and now we have that as an option. And when I view this page, we can use that. So you can keep adding unlimited sidebars for different pages. A couple things to note for the sidebars. The shop has one, and the only pages that are affected by that are the index right here. See how it's blank, and then obviously post pages. But pages like the checkout are actual pages. See if we click edit page. So if you wanted to have its own sidebar, we can call this, like, shopping pages sidebar, right? And we'll update that. And so then all of those pages you can have its own shopping, sidebars. So now our cart has its own sidebar, and then checkout would be the same. And then there's a whole bunch of other pages under there, like account and etc. So if I viewed those, we can just edit our account page, and we would want to set those. So that's just kind of going over how you would use the plugin for adding sidebars, and you can just keep adding sidebars and all that kind of stuff. It's really easy to use. So yeah.